How to deactivate Messenger account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply guide you whether or not it is possible to only deactivate your Messenger account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you have to understand that Messenger comes from Facebook, so if you have a Messenger account it needs a Facebook account to host itself. You can deactivate your Facebook account and then choose to keep your Messenger account only, but you cannot choose to keep your Facebook account only and then deactivate your Messenger account. That is simply not possible. If you want to deactivate your Messenger, you have to deactivate your Facebook itself. So if I open up the Messenger application and no matter wherever I go, such as settings page or anything, you'll be able to notice that I do not have the option to deactivate my Messenger account because Messenger does not have that option. The only thing you can do is simply go ahead and launch the Facebook application, and then once you launch Facebook, tap on the three lines icon, scroll down to the bottom, go to settings and privacy, and then go to settings over here. So once you come to the settings and privacy page, here you'll find account center. Just tap on the account center button, and then here you want to go to personal details. Once you go to personal details, here you'll find account ownership and control. Just tap on it, and then here you'll find deactivation or deletion. Just tap on it again, and then here you have to choose your Facebook account that you want to deactivate, and you can select the option called deactivate, tap on continue, and then right over here you can go ahead and deactivate your Facebook account in order to also deactivate your Messenger account, because this is simply the way to go about it. You cannot just point blank go ahead and only deactivate your Messenger account. So hope this video cleared the confusion. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.